你看咱这搁阳光底下会显得比较亮堂，知道吗？小点想着进门口的时候有亮堂一点的秋衣褂子。它就是一个很简单的外套。No， 春秋天。这个人家出去嘛？不出去的话，你们就先以这个开始。
好亮，对着光，哇！
亮吧？别。
背光了，主要背光了，背光了。
人家车是不是要出来？
啊，正好还能拍到 logo。
可以啊，咱这行不行？
可以，这个背景好。
别对着我的腚，别对着我的啥拍啊！先说。
我就跟着他们。
那人家车是不是要先出来？还是啥？
先让过去。
几点了？开始了吗？可以吗？这可以吗？可以。几点开始啊？
开始了。
Hello everyone. Today we are in Sunny Group. As you know, Sunny Group is a white wipes manufacturer on the machine. But today we want to share something more. For example, our customer side on the final product, the OEM processing. You know how to choose a suitable machine and to make the good product for you. So today we will have a roughly and totally processing on the whole process. Look at this is our structure on that Sunny Group, and this is in China name for cosmetic customer. And now we go into our factory, and our factory totally 40,000 square meters on this space. And we will show you one by one of that. This space, look at this is more. This is new building. Look at this one. This new building is for the OEM, the customer side on that. This, look. This. We take a short time to building this. Just want the customer to come in to see our final product. That's what we have exhibition on the final product. So you can see different final product. Now this is not yet, not finished yet. And maybe next time you come in, you can see that. It's okay. I just have a shoe on that. And now we will go to our customer side, because most of the customers they will say, okay, we have no idea on this production. We are new beginner, and we don't know how to do that. So today we will show you our customer production at first. Then you will see that. This is our customer company name of this brand. And today, let us to see which kind of product they are making now. To be careful. 这个灯没开。慢点。 3 floors, and the second floor is their office, and the third floor they take is no more than 2,000 square meters on the raw material, and the production space, and the final product. And they have 6 lines. The 6 lines including 1 to 20 pieces per bag, and the 16 lines for big bag, the 30 pieces to 120, and they have a white wipes, white toilet paper, and the dry cotton tissues, different types. So we will show you. Okay, let us in there. Boom. Okay. First, you will see that this is the raw material coming so that's why we will tell our customer, you need 1 space, and this space including the raw material, the production of the machine, and the final product space. This is the most important of these 3 parts. And this is related to machines. Look at this one. The first, you need to prepare the air compressor. That will be offer the air dryer, air fryer, and this whole site on this. And this space is for the water treatment. You know, for wet wipes that have a 2 years guarantee. So you must be insured the water with pure water. So this is the whole site of the water treatment, you get the pure water from the raw water. And that's also have a laboratory and the testing that. So when you're making that, you also can have see like this, have a samples and a laboratory on your product. So this, this two is for option, depends on your site. Okay, and look at this. This is their raw material because some customers they always ask if you can support the raw material on that. Yes, we can. We can offer that. The raw material of that. This is the packing film. The packing film, for example, you confirm with us how many pieces to making and the one piece is the size and your fabric. You use that, then we can calculate the size on that. As for the details of the drawing, you can show us about your brands, your idea, and everything. We can make the drawing for you. Look at this like this. This is the raw material of the film and the label, everything of this plastic lid. So some of the raw material, the whole storage on this there. Continue, go on. Let's go. As we just now we cited, they have two kinds of products: white wipes and the white toilet paper. So they have the raw material. Also have two kinds of that. The first one is visco and the polyester with a spunless nylon, and the second it was wood purpose and purple, and that can be flushable. So this one is for worker coming on this morning, so they need to change their shoes, cap, and the clothes to be ensured cleaning then into this room, into the production, the inside of production. And this room is for the raw material. Into the production room, they must have a space to remove the outside of the packing like this. So they also have two parts on that. So just now we have a calculator on this. You need to prepare the raw material. This is the most important. And the second, you need to prepare the water treatment machine and the air compressor. This is the three parts of that. You need to prepare in advance so that you can start your wet wipes machines production. Okay, let's go to see our machines working now. We don't know which kind of machine they are used now. Depends on the order, they will start the machines working. Okay. Oh, today's they are not production on the big bag. Look at this one. This is a 6 lines high-speed white wipes machine. So this one including the folding rack of the fabric, folding web gather and the pre-humid, and the winding. This is 6 lines. That means 1 time 16 pieces. Look at this. This is add liquid on this part. So if you want to make the different kinds of white wipes, for example, baby white wipes, makeup, cleaning area different, you just change on this part and connect to the water tank. So you can make different kinds of white wipes. Okay, there are some of the cotton box packing on the final. Okay, the next of that, this is a staking. The staking, that means, for example, you want to making 30 pieces, 70 to 72, and 80 or 100 or 120 pieces per bag. So staking here, and we set it on the PLC. The PLC can control of this pieces on that. And next, we will go to the automatic splicing on the packing machine. This machine is high efficiency, same as our fabric. So this one can automatically connect with the film and the fabric. That's why we say that the machines on the morning you come into the space to start working, so you change your new of the raw material. That machine can keep working to 80 minutes. So this machine's efficiency will be much higher, can reach to more than 95% on that. This one is bag maker, so you can get the final product directly from this packing machine. And this one is a plastic leader machine. You get this one. And if you can see this is a vacuum. This is vacuum leak tester. Final product, they will checking if there leakage on the final product. So they will prepare this one every day. They will take some of the samples into that to testing on this. So you can prepare one on this. to checking the sealing effect on the final product. Okay. Okay, there are some of their workers' production on the packing. 可以拿下他们的小产品。来来来。Okay. Today their production is 10 pieces per bag on that. That should be OEM. For different customers, they're making their designs, different pieces, and inside of this is a sticker label on that, and this is the back side on this. This is 10 pieces per bag. If you can see that. And they packing with a cotton box directly. So they're selling, they will content how many pieces per bag, how many bags on per cotton, and then they will calculate on the quantity to loading directly. And later we will go another side to see there are small machines working. And on this side, this is dry cotton tissues. Look at this one. This is they are making on the big bag. This is a white look. This is a white toilet paper. On this one, white toilet paper, the 80 pieces per bag. This one is, look at this. This is a flush bowl with EDI. Wait a minute. With EDI of this flush bowl with EDI. Super or pure water on this. And look at this packing. And this is very good and to sell the raw material like this. This is their brand of the levels leaves. Look, this is their white wipes, white toilet paper, flush bowl. And this one, look, this one is their dry cotton tissues. This is their, look, dry cotton tissues. This is their final product. So this is their OEM. One kind of the customer ask final products, dry cotton tissues, 60 or 80 pieces per bag on this. Look at this, and that can be opened from there. And this is our machine. Today they are not working, but you can see that this is the roll of the fabric. This is 8 lines. 8 lines. The working speed can reach to 130 meters per minute. This one, so no need to worker to operation on this. Just go outside, go another side, go this side. That will be get this kind of product. Go another 1 to 2, 2 sides of a cutting machine, 2 sides of packing machine. Use one of the folding machine. So this is 2 space, save the space and save the cost. So you can get 2 kinds of final product directly. So if you have a need and you are not ready to start, we can accept OEM. OEM, that means different white wipes, white toilet paper, dry cotton tissues, a small bag, different. Because this customer have 6 lines, 6 lines of this. So if you have a need, and we also can accept your customized of the final product. Okay, let's go. Let's go around here because some of their raw material already moved to just now that new building. That new building will be as their exhibition of the new product. To be careful, 小心点。Okay. Okay, this one is for 5 to 30 pieces per bag of small of machine, and this is mini bag. Mini bag. The 1 pieces, 8. 1 pieces, 1 bag of the 8 pieces. So you can see the machines. 你可以看。啥？不是。Okay. Because today they depends on the order to production. Depends on the order to production. So today they are making that is mean for the small bag. They are mean for small bag of that one. 可以拿吗？ Yeah. Okay, let's go. So today we just try show you how is that exactly working on this machine, on the machines in the working on the factory. Look at the 看不太清。 这能看清吗
有点光太重了。
？Okay, okay. This is also mini bag of the packing machine. 全都看到我们的倒影了。这也是在工作。The machine is working now with water tank and cutting to 10 pieces per time. 好的 ，OK OK。we will show the water treatment machine again. If you are not very clear on this one, we will show you more details. So you can leave your questions, okay, and we will show you again on the raw material on this one. Look at this one. This is a sticker label. This is a sticker label. So one of that sticker label and a chemical liquid. This is a chemical liquid. 这是80小度也不用太那个啥啊。This is the raw material, different sticking storage here. Look. 这也是 raw material. Okay. Okay, we will show you again about the water treatment machine. 你们可以进去，可以 You can go inside to have a details to show the customer. 对，小心点。You know this okay. Look. This is the raw water tank. 不要拍到那个品牌，这个品牌。This is a raw water tank. That means it will connect with your raw water. That will be connected with your raw water. Then that will be with this two. This is a quarter standard filter. We can call that a filter directly. By pump, go to the filter. Then that will be like this two. We call that a double range of the water treatment on this. And the inside of they will use some of the material, and you can see that they have a RO water production, EDI water. So each part they have a detection on this. 这个画质真的是，你这个画质能挺好的，你阿里巴巴。And after processing, then we can go to the pure water tank. This one will be by the pump to connect with our machine. That will be sent on the top and sent to the machines directly. This too is a water tank by pump. Look, this is pump. This is a frequency pump. Frequency pump. So you can change how much the water flow on this by the pump sent to the machine, connected with machine. On this. 扩压机在这儿。关门。等一下。This is the water air compressor. 吓死我！
压力。
吓我！ The air compressor have three parts. First one is this is the dryer. This is the air dryer. This is the air tank. Then this is the air compressor. This is three parts connected. As we suggest, you choose the screw air compressor. That will be better. This is also filter on this. You can supply the whole side of this one. 刚才真给我吓一激灵。看到了。吓死了。Okay. So just now we show you that is our customer. Is to show you our customer production site. So if you the main purpose is to show you how is the whole side of the production and the whole side of the factory that will be. And the second purpose means if you are not ready to start your production, and we can accept OEM. That means we can accept the customers that depends on your demands. Then we can supply to you the final product directly. Okay. So, and welcome everyone to coming to visit Sunny Group because this customer site is very near to our factory. So when you come in, you can come in to see they are working directly. Okay, let's go to look. This is there already put some of the raw material into these new buildings. Already put their raw material into there. Okay, now we will together go to see our white wipes equipment production. Look, this is a Sunny Group, and this is our factory. And we had exported the white wipes machine. We had making this machine more than 30 years, and the export more than 13 years. So we have a much more rich experience on that production and the export. So warmly welcome everyone to visit and inquire us on these machines working. And we have four types of the machine. The first one is a single pieces. That means one piece is per bag. One piece is per bag on this one. And the second is for the 1 to 10 pieces, just like the small pieces per bag on this. And the third one is for the 30 to 120 pieces per bag. Okay, we will go inside now in the door. Sunny Group. This is Sunny in the Zhengzhou City, Henan Province. 哎呀妈！刚真的我吓死了。Go inside now. Okay. This one is our structure. The structure we call that Sunny Group, and we have 4 branches. The Sunny, this because we have two main products. The first one is for recycling. Recycling on the different because we are profile of the green and green future and healthy. So we have 2 products. These 3 on the honesty and the recycle is for the recycling, and the Sunny, this one, as for the hygiene product. So when you come in, you will see our different products on this one. There are some cooperative brand. Cooperative brand in China is very famous brand on this there. And if you need us to have or can provide some foreigner customer site or the inside of China customer site, we can do some cooperative to share you their working the factory. Okay, on the first floor, because totally have 4 floors, and the first floor is a different department like HR and purchase and some of the meeting room, and the second floor is our if you do you want to see our RD? We have more than 30 RD of the department, the engineer. This is our corner. You know, it's very important for a manufacturer to have we call that very important roles on these manufacturers. Okay, let's go here. 啊，怎么这样？ Okay. Okay, this part, this factory, this space is for our hygiene product. Later we will come inside, and it's no more than 3,000 square meters. And this part is for the recycling. This is for recycling equipment, and the totally that will be like 12,000 square meters on there. And this is the restaurant for the worker, and this part is for the warehouse, and they take the packing, cleaning, and everything ready to container loading. So this is a totally structure of this factory. This is the cooler outside, and now we will into the factory inside. We will inside. as you know, for Sunny Group, once our machine finish, we will use the raw material. Look at this. In this space is we storage the raw material. Once machine finish, and we will take testing with our raw material. Stable working 10 minutes, ensure the machine is working well. Then we will be loading. So this is our space for the raw material, and this is a water tank on that. This is some of the other machines storage. If you are really interested on the mask machine, contact us. The best price, the final lowest price for you. Okay. And just now I showed that we have 3 kinds of machines. The third one, 30 to 120 pieces per bag. This one is similar to just now we saw that factory, the customer side. This one also 16 space, 16 lines on this one with web gather. Look, this is a still testing on the steel, not finished on this machine. One row, 2. One row is 2. So the one rack is 4 lines. One rack is 4 lines, and 4 racks is totally 16 lines. And this 4 lines working, and this 4 lines will be standby. So that's why, as I said just now, when you start working, your worker need to put the raw material on the roll, and this roll can be keep working to 80 minutes. So the efficiency is no need to someone is storage. You need to arrange a worker to be there, to waiting for raw material finish and change on that. No need. So that one can help you to save the worker and save the cost. This one. This is a high graded. That means you can sight. Look at this. That means you can sight on the tension. Sight tension on this space, and each one this and this, they have a tension, same tension. So that will be used up at the same time, and maybe one use up, one will be finished. Hello. This is Emma. Sorry. Okay, this is to the automatic splicing. That means this two use up, this two will be connected. So that by this is space, this is structure that will be connected directly, and the cutting, folding to be there, and then we'll go to the next step. And look at this. We use that brand. Have a look. Look at. We use that brand. It's a very famous brand of the Shinet, and I don't know how to say that. You can look by your side. The brand we use. Then next we will see that is our folding machine. This folding machine, because this one is a high-speed one. So, you know, some customer will be confused about the web gather. The web gather is optional. It's exactly optional because this machine, if you keep working more than like 450 pieces per minute, we will suggest that you use this web gather. That will be keep your fabric in the middle, in the center of that, to ensure on the final of the product will be more, how to say, it's more better looks. So web gather is optional. If you need it, you can add it. It's okay. And this is a pre-add liquid. This is pre-add liquid on this one, and because you know high speed, so that means maybe sometimes the liquid is not enough. So you can add this pre-humid and the web gather. Both of that is optional. Both of that is. And I want to say today I confirmed with my engineer, and the folding of this. Look at this one. The folding of the wedges. The wedges. The max can reach to 120. The folding after folding you can get the max is 125. Sorry. After folding, this is 125 max can reach to this, and the cutting of the length, the max can reach to 280. So if you want to make a small or bigger size, can be adjusted on this machine. Now we will go to see this one. Okay. Look, this is after the fitting here. That will be one by one layers, go to the liquid part, add the liquid. This is one by one liquid, one by one, and this is a metal detector, because you know the fabric connector, so they will be use a tap. The tap will be contacted by this part. This is metal detector, and then go to next. That will be removed directly. This is water. So if you want to make your final product much more liquid and more touching is better, so you can control on these parts. And the next step, this is pressing. Okay, look, oh, I cannot open. Okay, this is a cutting machine. The cutting machine, this is a full blade. Full blade, this working speed can reach to 500 to 600 pieces per minute. The cutting speed is much more bigger, but the length is limited. Only can cut in 140 millimeter on the pieces. Also, you can, if you want the size much more bigger than 140, you can remove 2 blades. It's okay, but this size only can reach to 180 millimeters. And let's go to this sticking. Okay, this is a double sticking. Yes, exactly. Double sticking can reach to the can reach the speed, but you know, as we suggest, you must be the whole line equal on the high speed on the folding. Then we suggest that you use double sticking. The working speed will be much more better on the whole lines working, and we use that structure to. That will be go down to how to say adapt the fabric, and that will be go up and down to get the fabric, so that the speed will be much more fast. And this one is this is for the, you know, some customer they want to add one more of the mental and the weight checking machine. This machine is for checking weight, because they wanted their final product at the same of the weight. So there will be the customer, they add one side of the weight detector, weight checker, we call that. So this is a connector with the final product, go there directly. If not okay, so that will be removed. And if okay, that will go into the packing machine. So that can help you to save the film of this one, the packing film. Not to put it on the final product, final after packing, otherwise the packing film will be waste. And this two also, the two automatic of the packing film on this, and this is also automatic splicing. So the whole line, the fabric, packing film, labeling, and the plastic leader, everything we use that is to improve the high efficiency and can reach to the high speed on the whole line as 100. 100 is okay, it's double sticking on that one. 110 bags per minute on this, because this is our patent technology, so we cannot show you more on that one. But this one is double, one time 2 bags. So this one can reach to the speed is 110. Look. Okay. And we use that is we use that also our patent technology is that structure, because most of the supplier they use that as a belt, but you know belt is consumption. That means when we're working on sometime that will be damage on this one, that will be affected on the packing film. The packing film, the thickness is only 0.08 millimeters. So if we keep long working, that will be damage of the sealing. So that one, the leakage of the final product. So we use that one is motor with a cylinder working like this. Not the first one is we can support a different size of the final product. And the second, this one is no need every day or every month to be maintenance. It's no need. So also can save the maintenance on the time and everything. So this is the two most important parts on this. And we go to this one is to the leader platter machine. This one, 4 slots on this, and and this one is used. Okay. This machine supports different shape of the plastic leader. This is one of that we're testing, and the full standard is a square. It's a square shape. So look at, 应该是这个盖子不结实了。And full of this one. So as we calculate, full of that can storage maybe 500. Can storage 500 pieces of the plastic leader on there. So for based on this machine's working speed, based on that, so maybe 10 minutes or 8 minutes, you just arrange someone to be here to checking on the plastic leader. If you use up, you put in. If almost finished and you put on that, it's okay. So this one is no need to worker to be here, and that one also can save the cost on your worker. Then that will be on the labeling on this parts. This is the PLC control screen. And this one is used. 不打开了这个。This is a two of that robotic. From there. This one working speed can reach to 120 bags per minute. 120 bags. And this is their labeling. 这个不太好看。我来这边嘛。Look, when this plastic leader after labeling to be here, and this arm of the robotic will be spray the glue on there, and spray on there, put it on the back. So inside here there are controller. Below on that there are controller on this. So spray the glue and the working and the PLC everything. This is one of the system on that. This machine's working. If you have any question on this machine's working on the whole line, or you want to see which kind of machine, you can leave message to us, and then we can know which kind of machine you want. Then we can show you how is that will be. Okay? 这个底下有胶机吧 And this is the controller. This is the controller on this machine. Okay. And the glue machine we use that is the top brand in China. The best one. Not only for the machines, good service, and this machine also can working. We compare of different brands. This machine's working is much more better and suitable on that. Okay. Oh, next one, the second one. This is a jumbo. Just now we saw that it's a double twin rolls. 啊？小包 ？OK。开哪个？我问了，但是我没有见到人。Okay, oh, wait. To be there, coming here. Just now we saw that we have a small bag. Look at this one. This is 1 piece per bag. 1 piece of that full size of sealing on this. 1 piece per bag. So this machine is for that one. And this machine working speed can reach to 120 to 150 pieces per minute. And this is the fabric to put it and the folding. Look, let me show you. Look, the fabric put it on the machine. Then the first one that will be folding as you want. And the film coming. Look at this. This is the film roll. And the coming, this is the sensor, the air marker sensor. Then that will be full size. Look, this is full size. We can support a 3 size 3 folding. We call that 3 folding. We also can do that 2 folding. So it depends on you. You just confirm with us how many folds you want. Then that will be into the bag. This is at the liquid. At the liquid and the fabric will be working together same time into the filling machine. Then that will be top, the bottom, on the sides, 2 sides of that sealing. So that final product you can get from this. This machine working is much more easy. Exactly, much more easy. And when you operate and lower investment at first. So you can check if this product is much more popular on your site or not. Because on the one pieces of that, we also have another one. So later we can show you. This is the first one of the one pieces per bag on this machine, on this product. And look at this. This we call that 1 to 20. Also small bag. The fabric coming, go to folding, and liquid on this part, folding and cross folded. That will be like this, cross folded and sticking here, maybe go there. That will be sticking 20 pieces on there, then go to the packing machine. And this is the below of this parts. Look, this is the film. The film coming, and that will be data printer. Then that will be labeling. This labeling on the back. This is labeling. This, and make a hole. Coming to this packing machine. So finally, normally we get the the final product that will be 10 pieces or 20 pieces per bag. When we open that, that will be 1 pieces every time. So that will be like this. This machine, sometimes you can have a cover. You know, some customer, they want a fabric part and the sitting part have a cover. That will be more safe. So we can support on that. This is a backside sealing and underside sealing. So the whole line working also like this. As we know, some of the different countries, their product is much more different. You know, most of their choose is a small bag. It's like this, 15 pieces per bag or 20 pieces per bag is all enough. But some of the customers, they prefer to use 80 or 100 or 120. So today we have a roughly introduction on each machine. And if you are interested on that machine, you can leave message to us. Just write down to us, and we can know your question, your requirements. Then we can send you our offer. Depends on your need. Okay. This is another console. 你给我们开哪个设备？开哪个设备？
是有的。你开没？
能开吗？
开一小时，现在想开哪个？
哪个能开？
哪个都可以。咱们先开手的。
能跑啊？跑呀，可以啊。Okay. Just now discuss with our engineer. That's a site of machine already finished, and we can show you testing on that one. Testing on these machines working. This one. This is a 16 lines also. 不是这一条。你再数一下。你再数一下。This one not finished yet. For this part also have a cover. On this part also have a cover and a door to have a protect on this part. So now it's just for testing, because today we have a online show. So we will show you on these machines. You know, the production on this whole line. Once we get order, we will prepare on the production, and the engineer will be combined of the whole line. Then they will be testing on this, and before loading, everything will be cleaning and packing. So this is the whole line on that one, on this. Okay. From the fabric. Okay. Okay. Look, the fabric is running. 4 racks of the fabric. Look, 4 racks. Now this 2 rack is working. This is a standby. Now. Let's go. Look at the folding plate. 你为啥不排呀？
还没进来。
来，哎不，稍等，先不要拍这个，这个布没折叠好。It's okay. Okay, just now we saw that at first this one is we call that seafood. Well, most we call that seafood on this first one. Look, seafood on this part, and the next of that is like N or Z. So this is like this, and we will ensure everyone sticking here is must be same, so you can get the final products much more looks better on this one. 现在要跑吗？
给我开呀，
开吗？
哪样不？
Okay. Now the engineer is one of the fabric is testing. It's okay. Well, 2 minutes we will go back. 2 minutes we'll go back, and now we will show that it's dry content tissues. This is the small one. Look, because of some customer, they also ask for that top speed on just now the 16 lines. Just now that one 16 lines, 130 to 120. That one. The working speed, cutting speed is 400 pieces per minute. 400 pieces. 400. No. This is cutting speed. 400 pieces per minute. For the packing machine, the speed is 80 bags per minute on this machine. But if we go to just now the double end seating, the working speed, the packing machine is 110 bags. 80片。400 pieces per minute cutting. 400乘以16，你可以算一下。7200，是不是？嗯。哦，5400。5400啊，是吧？你别想做。6,400 pieces per minute on the cutting speed, and the packing machine limited. The max is 80. Packing machine is 80 bags per minute, and go into just now we saw that double side ending. This is 190. 110包每分钟，像那种升级版的，110包。So we have two kinds of machines. The standard, we have standard and high upgraded. So depends on you to choose which one will be better for you. Okay. And this one just now we saw that it's a dry content tissues. This is a small one, and we in the customer side the big one is for the automatic working. This one is a small one, 3 lines of the fabric put on the rack and go inside there. That will be 3 lines to cutting on this part, 3 lines. So you just need to menu someone here, the worker here, to be 1 line and put it on the packing machine, so you can get to the final product directly. If you are interested on the dry content tissues and you are lower investment, you can consider on this small one to start. Okay. Okay. What about the installation process? If you can listen here to me, yes. Okay. Let me explain to you. Okay. First one, our engineer can support 24 hours online for free, and the second is we can send our engineer. You know, today, look at our factory, no much more engineer. Why? Most of them go to the customer side for installation now. So we can send the engineer go to your site. Korea, Indonesia, and Kazakhstan. Now. This is 3 countries as I know. And UAE. This 4 countries as I know now in there. Also some of that in China. Okay. And the installation, we can send an engineer go to your site and for combine of the whole lines and the testing and the installation, everything. But you need to pay for extra cost there for the installation cost. Okay. If I am this answer is okay for you, and this is the dry content tissues. Just now we cite this one on this one, and look at this. You know, most of the customer they choose they are new beginner. They're new beginner to start, so they choose that is like this, dry the jumbo roll. 我看有没有原料，没有。Like this, jumbo roll. So this one jumbo, 4 lines. So this one is 2 jumbos, is 12 lines, and we put the fabric here. We put the fabric here, and that one is slicing. This one is the cutter. Fabric cutter can be slicing.
调好了。
Sliding. 可以了吗 Okay, come here. 好了 Okay, this is the fabric running here. 你们慢慢 this is the emergency stop. And pressing metal detector. And this is add liquid. Each layer, look, each layer of the water. This is the control of, that can be control of the liquid you add. This is the metal detector. Remove. Look, that can support different kind of language. Oh, 掉了。Sorry.
你不要动，你就。
好 ，sorry. This is after sticking. 乱了。我摸了一下，摸乱。This is after sticking. Then go into. Look, we have two sensor. We have two sensor here. So that one must be into the right position. So the film will be start working. Two of that. Automatic slicing here. Okay, look at one. This one is customized with Europe hole. This with Europe hole. 来，他们没过了。So that can be put on like this. 是，马桶贴标没有开。Look,对着，来后面了。This robotic machine can reach to 70 bags per minute. This machine's working speed can reach to 70 bags per minute. Okay, so just now we show you that the final product is looks like this and can be supported on the Europe hole like this, so that we can hold it like this. This is customized on this structure. This is customized on the machine. Okay, and this is plastic leader, and this is a sticker label on this one. Have a hole on that. 嗯？啊？ Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, take one pieces. As we take that is one pieces per bag, not a pop-up. But this machine also can support pop-up. That will be connect. So this one we do that is just a single pieces, one pieces per time. Okay, okay, clear on this. Okay, this one, finish. So which machine do you want to say? And any question on our machine, you can leave message to us, and so that we can look at this. Okay, one more of the mini bag. The last one today, the last one machine is a mini bag. Okay, let's go to see that. 你们往前走去多拍拍机设备，多拍拍设备。Okay. This is another type of the packing machine. This is only one row of this one. This is standard jumbo. Just now we said that. See that air shaft of the film, and the next one will be two labeling on this one, two labeling on this, and the back maker of the hole like this. Make the cutting hole on there, and the same of that. The difference is on this part. That one is two air shaft. This one is only one air shaft on this machine. And this machine packing speed can reach to 65. Can reach to 65 bags per minute on this. And this is a bag maker. And also have a hole. Look at. Did you see that? Make the hole and have a sticker on there. And the backside heating. We have two of that. This is two preheating on this. And this one is to offer that. This is a backside seating on this. This is backside seating on this. And after this is to help to remove the air inside. Help remove the air inside. Then go inside. This is to underside sealing. Same on the structure. Same. And today's most important and the last one is to the mini bag. This one. The rack are same. The rack of the machine are same. This is also automatic splicing on this film fabric. Two working, two standby on this working. But the most important is on this, and this one is a high-speed one. Can reach to 1,000 pieces per minute. 1,000 pieces per minute on this one with web gather. With this is a folding. Film coming, folding, and go there. The smallest on this folding on this. 多宽呀？折叠宽度多少？折叠那个宽度是多少？给大家，给你，这个给你。Look at this is the final of the folding of the final product. Full standard in China we use now most popular is 8 pieces, 8 pieces per bag, and this is one side, one bag of the folding of this. It's like okay, thank you. 5. This is 5 centimeters on this. Okay, sorry, 4. Sorry, 4 centimeters on this one. On this. So we call that a mini bag. We call that a mini bag on this. And this is as liquid also. This is as liquid part. If you use that for wet toilet paper, that will be spraying the water, not go in ink of the water. Okay, 志豪，谢谢。 So we have two kinds of white liquids. One is to ink into the water, and the second to spread the water for white toilet paper. For white toilet paper, and after that, the most in this ruler of the cutter. This we do that. We do that. We're making this ruler. We must be used more than 30 days to make just the whole side of the cutter ruler. This is very important and it needs a long time to that. And that one is you must be use air. This is air and cutting. The high speed can reach to 1,000 pieces per minute on this part, the structure. So after sticking, we will go to this mini bag. 志豪，这个设备能跑吗？跑。金哥，你这个设备跑一下吧，跑一下吧。Okay, okay. So we will show you today. This machine is working. 你从那里看，你从那里看。啊？啥 ？The fabric is running here, and let's go to see there. This. 你们去那里有效果，往前头走，往前走。The ruler cutting. .这个速度。啊，sorry. This is a small bag working, and this one working speed can reach to 100 bags per minute. This is a stable working speed, 100 bags per minute on this machine. 不要打开。你噪音呢？这个。And now we will go inside the bundle packing. 哦，这个用的是半自动的呀。
说这样的有点不好用。
那咋弄？
换个烫。This one we use that in the semi-automatic bundle packing. This one is a semi. The price will be lower compared to the automatic working that one.
天结束了啊，
都踩在哪个机
16档，就这
还有。声音吗？
就看This is the final of the small of the bundle packing. We have two types of that. One is full automatic working, and the second one is just now we saw that semi-automatic one. This one bag you can fill in 8 or 10 bags. 8 or 10 bags of this. This is the final product. 进攻可以了。几点 Okay. Okay, just now we show you that line is for mini bag. Mini bag and the final we can get the final product will be looking like this. And you can use the small one bag and you also can get the bundle packing like this. And just now as we said, we have two kinds of bundle packing machine. The first one is like full automatic. That one can reach to 40 bags like this. 40 bags per minute, and another one is just now we saw that semi-automatic one. But this one for new beginner to start, the cost will be lower. So depends on you to choose. And another one, the final one is look at now we have a different. Now we have a new production, batch production for the machines. This is the packing and the folding and of this parts, everything of this. So you know, December is coming. So I hope the customer can, if you are ready to start the white wipes machine, you can contact us freely because we have a pre-production on the white wipes machine in the factory now. So if you have need it, and we can arrange the production soon and can loading to you also. Okay? No, 没了. So today's live show is coming to end. And if you are last also the most important that one, you just contact with us freely, and we will give you the whole line's solution. The solution including that the machines choose and the final product choose, also the OEM support. So any question, if you have a need it on the raw material, you also can contact with us. Okay? So see you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thanks very much for your time. Bye bye. 你们去看，你对着你打脸。哎呦，怎么关？
不用，别停，只要是装那个盒里的自己都关了。
哦，好的。咱们先拍一下，我打个字。
现在开了吗？
结束了吗？
过来。
我那在那里。
他直播关了，直播关了吗？
Okay, the last one of the machine is our high-speed single pieces backside selling machine, and this one working speed can reach to 300 pieces per minute on this one. Okay, just now as we cited, we have one of the machine on single pieces that one, and with backside selling. Look at this backside selling. As we know in China, it's very popular. Is for the restaurant or the airplane. So they use this. So if you need it on this. Because now we have a new structure on this one, on these parts, and can solve much more problem as before that. No, the air, no much more air. Look at the final, it's much more tightened on the final products, the touching and everything, and on the ceiling, of the whole product looks is much more better. So, and this one, based on the customer feedback, they use that is much more, how to say, the working operation and the final product. Also, this structure we use that is good. It's good than before. So this one is our high upgraded one. It's upgraded on the single pieces this model. Also, same as that rock and add the liquid and the folding, then go inside of the packing machine. This is for the sealing, backside sealing on this, backside sealing on this, and this is for film everything to get to the final product. So look at this one. Also, this can be supported different size of the packing films used and can be adjusted on this one. Now we're testing that the stable working speed can reach to 220 pieces per minute, and every control of the temperature can be controlled off there. And we use that material is a stainless steel 304, and with match of the final product. So this one is for this one, and the price is much more lower and better than the bigger one to start. So we have a different kinds of final products. If you're interested, so contact us again. Okay, thank you. The last one machine to show you, and our worker will be show you the machines. We'll show you the machines. Okay. Okay, let me show you the machines working. For me, a new 0 to start. Okay, this one. Okay, yes, sir. Look. Oh, 很溜。对，我感觉说里面没有气，就是这个。你在旁边弄，我拿这玩意儿没法进啊。Okay, look at this machine is working is very well, and the most important is there is no air. Look, there's no air inside. So this is a very important thing. We just choose one, very quick to checking. Look, no air inside. So look.那我按下红的是不是就停了？我天。Okay, it's very easy to operation on this machine, and the final is the most important. Just now we cited is no air. It's no air, and the inside of the liquids can be controlled. If you want more liquids, also can be added on there. So, any other question on this machine, or if you're interested on the Sunny Group White Wipes machine, you can contact us freely. Okay, thank you so much. 介绍啥？ Okay, my name is Emma. You also can call me Emma. Many customers from the foreigners they will call me. My name will be Emma. So, but for standard we call that Emma, EMMA. Okay, from Sunny Group, and any other question? Right. 对，你们可以再绕一圈。啊？没有看。没有。因为这个我们是从宜城过来的，宜城先介绍宜城。我要去拿个手机跟客户开个视频，这边已经结束了。好，你去吧，让他们对话呗。对。拍照都来了吗？拍到了。
备衣，
好，
大会议室跟咱这儿都放举可放的，你看等会儿咱拿不了了。整单面儿。
太高了。也行。但这个迷你包，你说那织毛巾，没有啊，很尴尬。我能要一下吗？这是